This is the Frugal Gardener, and I'm back with another 90-second update. In this episode, I've got you covered. Here are 3 ways that you need to protect your plants, especially if you're new. You old heads probably know this already, but this is netting to protect your plants from the birds or animals that will come and eat your berries, your fruits. That is a larger size that can be cut down to fit over your pots or whatever you need. These are the ones I started using last year. These have a drawstring. These are individuals, and you can reuse these. Number 2, this is a frost cloth that you can use in the winter time. Well, not winter, actually the fall. It's light. It's kind of delicate, so you have to be careful. It may rip on you. It comes in various sizes, and this will add some warmth to your garden in the fall for your late plants. And last but not least, the one people are most familiar with, this is your shade cloth. This is my second shade cloth because the first one worked so well. I got another one. These come in different sizes, so I suggest before you purchase one of these that you actually measure the space you're going to use it in, and I will post a link down at the bottom for all 3. So that's your I got you covered update for today. This is the Frugal Gardener, and don't forget, when you grow your own food, you will always know where it comes from. Catch you next time.